In this short presentation, we'll be discussing different ways Nearpod can be used to provide sound and solid assessment for students that meets different needs throughout the lesson. Educational research has determined that students benefit greatly from opportunities to collaborate with one another. Nearpod has two resources that work very nicely with this. One is the Collaborate board, where teachers can provide questions and students can collaborate with one another to brainstorm answers and respond to each other's input. Another way students can work in a collaborative or cooperative environment is using the Time to Climb feature, where a series of questions are provided by the teacher in a competitive atmosphere where students can, in a somewhat competitive way, work with one another to answer questions of increased difficulty. Similarly, students can have many different ways to take risks and challenge themselves within the privacy of their own computer, but in the safety of the classroom. Two resources that Nearpod provides for these are the PhET simulations, which are content specifically designed for students to be engaged in certain labs, and matching environments, where students can play a quick matching game and it will chart their progress and give students a chance to see how well they do, but also teachers a chance to monitor the progress of their students. One of the best ways to learn more about a student's comfort level or a student's perspective on a lesson is to provide an opportunity for free response. Two ways to do this in Nearpod are using open-ended questions or embedding a Flipgrid assessment into Nearpod. So you'll notice here in this Flipgrid, I've created it in the Flipgrid application, and Nearpod has embedded it quite nicely for me. In the free response, they will receive this question, and then as they populate with answers, it will become available to me, and I can chart their progress and note areas for concern or needs for clarification. Of course, there are times when a more traditional approach is necessary, and Nearpod provides a quiz feature and a poll feature for teachers to provide opportunities for students to demonstrate what they know and also to demonstrate their comfort level with certain activities or with certain areas of content. And you'll notice in both cases, I can chart the progress of students, and also if I find a response that I find particularly compelling, I can share that with the class. And these are just some ways that Nearpod assessments can be used to impact student learning or to influence the teacher classroom so that we have a data-driven response to the needs of our students.